Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's look at Google Stitch or Stitch with Google. We had covered Stitch before, but the platform has evolved. So should we. And that's what we are covering, the additional features that they have introduced after we covered in the previous video. Let's get started. So once you log in into Stitch, stitch.withgoogle.com. Okay, this is how it should look like. You can give your prompt here. You can say whether it is an app, okay, designed for a native mobile app or a web app. And you can also use design systems here. We have different models like 3 Flash, Thinking with 3.1 Pro, Redesign, Ideate, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we'll go with 3 Flash. And this one is pretty amazing. Start live mode, which means you can just interact with the agent. You don't have to type. And this is something that I love because I don't like typing so much. So let's go ahead with this and test out something new.
Hey, what are we designing?
Let's design a platform which is close to Airbnb for renting properties in India.
On it, let's capture that Airbnb magic.
So you can see that it has started working. Let me stop this. Otherwise, it'll keep answering back. You can see here I'm setting up the design foundation for your Indian property rental platform. And the beauty is it will start by giving you the color scheme, the headline text, the body, label, and all of that. If you have those things already for your platform or your brand, you can provide that. Otherwise, it will provide you. And the beauty is it's not image, right? So you can check out each of these things. And if you hover on top of it for a short while, it will also give you color code, okay, hex code. If you click on it, your hex code is already copied into your clipboard, right? So within few seconds, this is ready. Now it's generating the screens, okay, the required screens, as you can see. So let's wait and then see what it generates finally. And there you go. So we've got this. It's called Heritage Stays, Explore Wishlist Trips. Okay, and you can see here location, dates, guests, and explore category. Okay, we have a lot of categories available here. Featured stays in India. Okay, these are the featured stays along with the image, the name, the location, and per night cost. Okay, likewise we have popular destinations. Okay, which looks amazing. And then the footer. And if you open any particular property, then it's having all the images of that property and experience royal solitude, basically some description about it, and the cost per night, what are the rating, check-in, check-out, guests, and so on and so forth, the option to reserve, and what this place offers, right? Some of the details of the place, and how much would that cost us for the overall trip. Okay, and where you will. So here we have some more image and details, and finally we have a message from the host. Okay, so hosted by Vikram Singh, joined in February 2018, super host, right? And message from the host along with the reviews, identity verified, right? Response rate is 100%, response time within an hour, and contact host option. So these are the two screens that it has created. And finally, we also have a checkout option where if you click on reserve, then it will take you here, confirm your booking, your trip, dates, guests, right? And choose how to pay, UPI, credit card or debit card, net banking. Cancellation policy will be mentioned here, confirm and pay. And we can also see the property details and all the payment details coming here. We can also see the profile section here, okay, where you can see your name, member since when, identify verified or not, profile completion, how much percentage you have completed, personal info, my trips, wish list, payments, help center, login and security, terms of service, and so on and so forth. So this all design was done in less than 2 minutes, okay, and I didn't have to type anything. I just had to speak to the agent. Now, any of the files, you can just select it, right click and download it. Okay, it's going to download .md file. So this is design.md file. So let me just open it up. It's open here. Let me show you. So since I had downloaded anti-gravity, it is opened in anti-gravity. You can see this is design.md file, which has all the details of the fonts, the colors, right? Every detail that was available on Stitch. Okay. You can also go to any of the designs, and we have instant prototype, variations, regenerate, predictive heat map, mobile app version, missing states, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can also go to modify, okay, edit it, annotate, design systems. If you go to preview, then we have option of new tab, show QR code, mobile, tablet, desktop. Let me go to new tab, and anything that Stitch designs is basically responsive. So you can see how it would look like on a desktop, tablet, and a mobile phone, right? So pretty good, I would say. I'm not sure this particular circular thing, but yeah, rest of the things is actually pretty responsive, right? Looks very neat. Now let me go to the project back, and we have more here. When I click on that, we can view the code, we can copy to Figma, we can export it, or we can also download. If I download, it's going to download two things, right? One, this design as an image, and also the code. So let me open it up and showcase to you what is there in the file. So it's a zip file with screen.png, which is basically the image of the design that we have, right? The entire page design. And we also have code.html. So if I open it up, you can see this entire thing in code, exactly what we have there, right? With the option of adding locations, adding dates, right? And guests, and so on and so forth. Of course, now when I click on this, what should happen? Those data is not there because we have not designed that. Now, the other thing that we can see here is when you select this, it gets added here. Okay, and we have a few options to play around here, right? You can give a prompt to ask AI to make any changes. So let me show you an example of this one. So I'll just go here, and we have I've selected this, so you can see here confirm your stay is added over here, and let me go with this one, okay, which means I can select it. So I'll just mark this particular section, okay, and you can see that will also get added here. Now I'll say the price should include GST of 18%. So please change the design to accommodate the same. Now I'm not sure if it is 18% for stays, hotels, and so on and so forth. I'm just using some random example. Okay, so you can see that it is making some changes to this. Let's wait and see what it does. So we have service fee, taxes, and charges here. I think it's generating a new screen altogether. Okay, and you can see that it kept everything else as is, right? Confirm your booking, heritage stay, confirm and pay. All of this is exactly what we had before. Okay, the only change that it did was this one. We have service fee. Instead of taxes and charges, it has now made it as GST 18%. Okay, and 62,500, 18% is 12,006. I would assume that that is going to be precise because, okay, even if it is wrong, that doesn't matter because we need the design, right? We'll have to develop this anyway. Now, let me go to this design file which is available. Okay, and we can see here, okay, design system. I'll click on this. So we have seat color, color theme, color palettes, right? And so on and so forth. So I can just go here and make the changes. So let's say, for example, I'll say, okay, so I've just made this change. Let's say neutral, I'll make it as 2B, 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 2B. And I will, corner radius is fine. We can change the fonts. right? You can make any changes that you need. Okay, and you can also go to a dark theme and make any changes if you want. Once you make all the changes that you need, click on save and apply. Let's wait. You can see here apply design system is running, and let's see what it does. I'm very curious. You can see here it is generating screen, right? So for all the screens which were already created, okay, this has got updated, okay, with the new color that we have given. This is updated, right? So everything now is with the brand color that we just updated. So once the design is ready, if you feel that it needs to be updated with your brand colors, just go ahead and update your design here. Everything gets updated automatically when you click on save and apply. Not just that, if you go to design systems, you can also create new from here. Okay, so you can import from website. This is one import design.md, which was imported previously from our team member. So we can use that, or we can also create new from here. Give a name, select the colors, color theme, color palette. Okay, and then the fonts, the corner radius and everything. Okay, and you can also do it for light and dark mode differently, and click on save and use that design theme for your designs, and everything gets updated based on what you just created. Also see here it says design system applied. Okay, and that's precisely what I wanted to cover in this particular video. So again, if you want to get any designs done, go ahead to stitch.withgoogle.com and give the prompt, or just speak to the agent and it'll do the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they can also learn how to design with speaking to an agent. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.